In the swiftly evolving world of digital workspaces, the importance of efficient information systems migration cannot be overstated. SharePoint, being a principal player in this domain, necessitates a strategic approach for its migration to newer environments. As companies seek to leverage the cutting-edge features of Microsoft 365, understanding the nuances of SharePoint migration becomes pivotal. This video delves into the critical aspects of mastering SharePoint migration, presenting a detailed guide on utilizing tools such as the SharePoint Migration Tool, SPMT, and Migration Manager, and addressing typical challenges encountered during the process. SharePoint migration involves moving data, applications, and services from an older SharePoint environment to a newer version, or to a cloud-based environment like Microsoft 365. This process is crucial for organizations wanting to improve their collaboration, intelligence, and security solutions. Effective migration not only enhances performance, but also integrates modern features and functionalities that are pivotal in today's digital workplace. Understanding the scope and benefits of SharePoint migration sets the stage for a successful transition, ensuring that all organizational data and processes are effectively transferred to enhance operational efficiency and user experience. When it comes to SharePoint migration, selecting the right tool is critical. The SharePoint Migration Tool, SPMT, and Migration Manager are two prominent options provided by Microsoft. SPMT is ideal for migrations from SharePoint Server 2010, 2013, and 2016 to Microsoft 365, focusing on straightforward scenarios. On the other hand, Migration Manager offers a more comprehensive solution, suitable for complex migrations including larger datasets and cross-tenant scenarios. Comparing these tools helps organizations decide based on their specific needs, including the size of the data, the complexity of the migration, and the desired level of control over the migration process. Before initiating a SharePoint migration, several preparatory steps are essential. First, ensure that all necessary permissions are in place to allow for the movement of data. It's also critical to confirm that the existing SharePoint server environment meets all requirements to support a smooth migration process. Equally important is ensuring that the destination tenant, Microsoft 365, is prepared to receive and properly integrate the migrated content. This preparation phase is crucial as it sets the foundation for a seamless migration, minimizing potential disruptions and downtime. The SharePoint Migration Tool, or SPMT, can be downloaded from the Microsoft Download Center. Once you've got it downloaded, the installation involves a straightforward setup process on your computer. After installation, go ahead and launch SPMT and use your admin credentials to sign in. You will then need to connect both your source, which is the SharePoint server, and your destination Microsoft 365 environments by providing the necessary URLs and credentials. Proper setup of SPMT is essential as it directly affects the effectiveness and efficiency of the migration process. This part of the process ensures that all selected data can be moved accurately and securely. Migration Manager, accessed through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, offers a robust platform for managing complex migrations. After accessing the Migration Manager, you'll need to connect it to both your source and destination environments. This tool provides a comprehensive interface for configuring and controlling the migration process, including scheduling, monitoring, and adjusting migrations as needed. The advantages of using Migration Manager include its ability to handle larger and more complex migration scenarios compared to SPMT, making it a valuable tool for organizations with extensive SharePoint deployments. Developing a solid migration strategy is crucial for the success of your SharePoint migration. This involves detailed planning regarding the timing of the migration, the allocation of resources, and the management of potential risks. Best practices include conducting a pilot migration, setting clear migration goals, and ensuring constant communication throughout the process. A well-thought-out migration strategy not only ensures a smoother migration process, but also helps in minimizing downtime and reducing the impact on end users. Migrating large volumes of data presents specific challenges, including prolonged migration times and increased risk of data corruption or loss. Utilizing tools like SPMT and Migration Manager, which are designed to handle large datasets efficiently, is crucial. Additionally, employing data segmentation strategies and conducting regular backups are advisable to safeguard data integrity throughout the migration process. Effective management of large data volumes is critical to avoid overloading the network and to ensure a smooth transition to the new environment. Security is a paramount concern during SharePoint migration. Ensuring that data remains secure and that unauthorized access is prevented during the migration is essential. This includes implementing robust encryption, maintaining strict access controls, and continuously monitoring the migration for any security breaches. Proper attention to security safeguards sensitive corporate data and ensures compliance with data protection regulations, providing peace of mind throughout the migration process. After the migration is complete, it's important to verify that all data has been accurately transferred and that all SharePoint functionalities are operational. This involves thorough testing and troubleshooting any issues that arise. Additionally, reviewing the migration logs can provide insights into any potential problems and help in refining future migration strategies. Post-migration steps ensure that the new SharePoint environment is fully functional and ready to serve the organization's needs, providing a seamless transition for all users. Post-migration, it's essential to provide adequate training and support to all end users to ensure they can effectively use the new SharePoint environment. Offering resources such as manuals, FAQs, and training sessions can greatly enhance user adoption and proficiency. Additionally, establishing a support framework to address any issues promptly is crucial for maintaining operational continuity. Effective training and support not only empower users but also maximize the investment in the new SharePoint environment by ensuring it is used to its full potential. Keeping your SharePoint environment up to date is crucial for leveraging the latest features and security updates. This involves regular reviews of the system, applying updates promptly, and planning for future migrations as necessary. Future-proofing your SharePoint deployment ensures that the organization remains at the cutting edge of collaboration and productivity technologies. This proactive approach not only enhances the user experience, but also ensures that the organization's digital workspace remains secure and efficient. In conclusion, mastering SharePoint migration requires careful planning, the right tools, and a strategic approach. By following the best practices outlined in this guide, organizations can ensure a smooth and efficient migration process. Key takeaways include the importance of preparation, choosing the right migration tool, and ensuring thorough post-migration support and training. Adhering to these principles will enable organizations to reap the full benefits of their new SharePoint environment, enhancing collaboration, security, and overall productivity.